Welcome back to Hiking with Kathleen. In today's video, I have returned to the property of a friend, Rolf, who's allowed me access to his property, which has this beautiful creek that flows right through it. Beautiful thing is, there's nobody else around. This really is a solo hike. Now, the last time you would have seen this creek would have been in the winter. I came here and filmed with my drone the surface of the frozen ice, and you can see there's all kinds of animals that live here. It's just harder to find their signs at this time of the year. But I do have some beautiful bird footage for you to take a look at. If you wait until the end of this video, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to go and visit my dad. That is almost 99-year-old Birdwatching Bill. So stay tuned, you'll get an update from him. So I've been spending some time out in this open field area on this private property. This area that was at one time wide open has been allowed to just let nature take its course, and that's been great. All kinds of songbirds in here, and one that's been most persistent in singing has been an Indigo Bunting. This is August 1st. This is sort of the tail end of the nesting season. So within another couple of weeks, it's going to be very quiet out here, in any woodlot really, because the birds just stop singing once they no longer are defending their territory to feed their family. So it's been amazing being able to just have these birds. There's crows that are calling, so there's some sort of mobbing behavior going on where they're trying to chase away something. I haven't seen the something. I saw a group of about 6 or 7 crows flying overhead. But this is really a wonderful area, and this has a creek that flows through it. Last time I was in this area was the winter time, and I'm just sort of putting off going down to the creek right now, only because I expect it'll be buggy, and I'm really enjoying the fact that it's not buggy up here. So I will go and check that area out as well, because it's so pretty down there by the creek. Just trying to give you the opportunity to hear the bird sounds, the crickets. There's all kinds of sounds that are around. We're out in the country, so one of the great things is there's very little road traffic. The occasional plane, but very little road traffic out here. So I just love the silence. was just admiring that dead tree that's at the side of the creek, and in doing so I realized it's got a vine covering a lot of it. It's poison ivy. This is something I showed in a video that was taken at the Pinery when Shannon and I hiked along the Hickory Trail. So anyway, I'm going to show it to you up close, but if you want to get the identifying features, that's the video I would suggest you go back and look at. And that was from just a few weeks ago. We filmed that in the month of June. Anyway, poison ivy does very well out here. It's a very moist environment. I'm watching some rings on the water. I have filmed muskrats in here. I have seen beaver activity. I haven't filmed actual beavers. Rolf, whose property I'm hiking on today, he set up trail cams, and there was a time when he filmed, beavers, coyotes, different cool things like that on his trail cam, so he knows where they wander on his property. And this is a creek, and a creek brings life to a woodlot, so this is a really cool thing. But as for the poison ivy, I'll show you that right now.
That's the jobs I've been doing here on my land. My daughter, I've got her living here now. and she brings the friend on.
Yeah.
And I own the car she's driving.
So one of the questions I have to say people ask about is the fact that they always see you wearing a tie. And they wonder, is this something that you choose to do, to wear a tie each
Hell
day?
yeah. Yeah, that's why I got it on. I have it on I have not necessarily this one, but I have a tie. The only thing is, my wife asked me, with a tie, change it every day. Don't have people seeing you in an old tie. And I can't find them all.
Well,
There's a lot,
Yeah.
but there's not enough to cover every single day a different one. I've been a little poor of recent, in case you want to know a little more. Well, I don't know. I don't need anything, but it's,
you don't need a tie donation, is that what you're saying? Because maybe you can just thank people for watching and just say we'll see you next week. You want to do that? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Yes, I will. See you next week.
First of all, thank them. So thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
Not at the same time I'm talking.
Well, thank you for what my daughter said. I don't know what she said. So. All right.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
I might be able to make it.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Yes. All right. We'll see you next week at the same time. Or another time, of course. This is my daughter, Kathleen.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Thanks for watching.
Oh my God. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Wait, do it at a time when I'm finished talking, so because if they're both talking at the same time, then I can't fix that. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you go ahead.
Did you say I'm me? Is that me? Thanks for watching. Be good. What the hell?
All right, thanks for spending time with us. I'll see you folks.
Thank you very much for spending time with me.